Well, welcome back, my friends. Well, today it's 8 a.m. and it's currently 87 degrees. No, I'm not in Florida, but I am in Ohio. And please keep in mind, people, it's summer. It's going to be hot, hot, hot. Sorry, I love the heat, hate the cold, and that's why I'm here with some fun tips and tricks for your home and your home's maintenance this summer. I love the summer. There's just not enough weekends in the summer. Check out my video that I posted earlier about summer events in Columbus, Ohio. All right, summer is the perfect time to freshen up your home, knock out some of those easy updates, and stay clutter-free before the back-to-school chaos or the fall season hits. Here are some summer home to-dos that I suggest. So let's dive right in. Home maintenance must do. So let's start with some key maintenance tasks that you'll want to, handle while it's warm. Not maybe 87 degrees at 8 o'clock warm, but while it's warm. Inspect and clean your gutters. Summer storms are no joke. Make sure your gutters are cleaned and they are draining properly. Power wash the exterior, your siding, your driveway, your deck, your walkways. These could use a good scrub. Seal the driveway and deck. Protect surfaces from sun damage and moisture. Service your AC system. Schedule a checkup to keep it running efficiently all summer long, because God forbid we wouldn't want air conditioning to go out at 87 degrees at 8 o'clock. Check your window and door seals. Keep the cool air in and all those nasty bugs out. Inspect your roof, siding. Look for missing shingles, cracks, or damages from spring weather. Okay, outdoor upgrades and curb appeal. We'll talk about outdoor projects and keeping your home looking sharp. Mulch and edge your veggies. That helps with a perfect landscaping. Trim your trees, bushes, keep things tidy and away from the house roof. Keep those tree lines away. Plant summer color. Add planters or hanging baskets for some seasonal curb appeal. Update your house number or mailbox. Small details can have a big impact. Clean your patio furniture. Give everything a quick wipe down and a power wash. Create a backyard hangout spot. Even if it's just a few chairs and string lights, make it yours and make it fun. Hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite key realty agent in and around Central Ohio. And I'm just keeping you up to date on what things you should do to your home. Okay, indoor. Let's go inside in the air conditioner. Declutter and organize. Now let's head inside and think about what we want to declutter, like the closets. Pack away your heavy winter clothes if you're not using them. Purge the kids' toys, school supplies, and out with the old and in with the new right before the school year returns. Clean those kitchen counters and cabinets. Less is more. Donate unused gadgets or expired pantry items. Reorganize the garage or basement. Beat the heat and reclaim that space. Create a summer drop zone, a spot for like beach towels, flip-flops, sunglasses, and bug spray. Deep clean one room each week because it adds up. And who wants to do all that over the weekend when it's sunny and warm and fun? Okay, safety checklist. This is a bonus. Don't forget these summer safety tips. Test your smoke detectors and your CO detectors. Check your fire extinguishers. Make sure they're not expired. Inspect outdoor lighting and motion sensors. Secure your windows and screens to keep kids and pets in their place. Well, that's your home to-do list, whether you're prepping to sell, settling in, or just love a fresh, organized space. These tips keep your home happy, safe all summer, and you are ready for an enjoyable time for the summer weekends, which are quite short compared to the winter ones, as I've said many times. Okay, so if you get a chance, check out my new Facebook page, What's Up Central Ohio, so you can get things like events and festivals and fairs. Don't forget, we're always in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.